Oh, now I can put
Merry Christmas, friend.
my brown surprise.
Oh my god! Is that what you're calling it?
Brown surprise! Hey guys!
Well, that's it. That's the show. Thanks for watching.
So today we're going to be making DIY lip balm kits.
Also known as Love Salve Lady Pomade Story.
DIY lip balm
Yeah.
kits. So we found these in Tiger. They just look really fun, and to be honest with you, why don't we make our own lip balm?
Exactly, why not? You know, winter is coming, lips are chapped, we need some salve, we need some love salve, don't we?
Yeah. So I don't know who this is aimed for, but I was like, let's just do it. Apparently we've got everything we need included inside. It comes with loads of bits and bobs, and I think maybe even stickers, which I'm probably more excited about than anything else. So,
and the packaging is super cute.
super cute.
Okay.
Okay, let's do
get
this.
in
I
here.
hope we don't need anything, because I haven't prepared anything that we might need. Oh, this feels like I'm at school. Oh, there are stickers.
Ah,
I don't know why the stickers in DIY lip balm kits, but there is.
cute. And we've also got like colours. I guess these are all the lip balm pots, and I don't actually know.
Okay, I'm very excited for this. Should we? I think we should read the instructions. Okay. Oh, we're pictures. I feel like we're in IKEA. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, take the big tub.
I'm taking it.
Okay, and then 10 milliliters of
Oh, is it water?
No, we're good. Oh yeah, there's water. Okay, we'll find that in a minute.
Darn.
So, open this one which says it's base. Base.
All about that base.
I think this is just like Vaseline.
Really? Does that have any scent?
No. No. And then we've got a little spatula.
Ooh.
Just gonna spatula.
Okay.
So,
It is
it says
literally like
it needs 10
Vaseline.
milliliters of this in here. So, I'm just gonna...
Scooby Doop Doop.
Oh, this is quite satisfying.
It's like candle wax,
Oh, how do
you know?
Okay. Oh, I could do this for ages. And then it wants 10 drops of one of these. What have we got?
So are these just
what
colouring?
Have we got? It says colour. What colour are you going for?
I will go for red.
I'm going to go because everybody always wants green lip gloss.
Of course! Who wouldn't want a green lip gloss?
Green.
Oh. Damn child locks.
Ooh. It smells like lime.
Really? It does.
Okay, 10.
Sniffy here. I don't know what it smells like. Like bubble
1,
gum.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Those two are bubbles, but I'm gonna go wild and use a bit of this one as well. And mixing and matching.
These are really slimy.
Really slimy. My labels are coming off. Ooh. They're hard to get into. Open this for me, please. How embarrassing.
Okay.
I did loosen it. Wait, I'm not at the same stage. Oh, a bit slimier.
What's your favourite lip balm? Do you have a favourite one?
I do. I have one that I only ever use. I think Vaseline is shocking. It just makes my lips super dry. I don't know about
You
you.
don't put like just normal Vaseline on there. You buy like lip Vaseline.
Yeah, but even lip Vaseline, I just think it's really like drying. I use Forever Living aloe vera lip balm. They're like, how much are they? I can't remember how much they are. I tend to get them online in like, you know, packs of like 6 or something like that. Because I've got 3.
Spice.
I've got 3 on the go at the moment.
3?
Yeah.
Where are you at 3 locations that you need a lip balm?
One in my bag, there's one in my pocket usually, and then there's one in my makeup bag.
And does your bag normally, your makeup bag normally go in your bag?
No, I never take my makeup bag with me. And also sometimes, little hack here, I put, so I colour like my eyelid in with black eye pencil, and then I get like a little dab of lip balm and I like rub it in so it's like a glossy kind of eyeshadow.
Wow.
Found that online. Apparently French girls do it. Mais oui.
What does that mean?
But yes.
But yes.
But yes. It's literally, yeah. But no, but yes.
Okay. Okay. Get a jar.
Mine, oh, yours is quite good. Mine's still got like clumps of white in.
Mine's not too bad.
I'd call this ombre.
Ombre.
Yes.
And then we got a scoop.
Ombre.
Scoop, scoop, scoop.
Why am I having difficulty opening things today?
Scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop.
Doesn't work out for me.
Scoop, scoop. Okay.
What's going on?
I'm great at this.
You're leaving me behind.
I can't believe these are all the... I honestly thought there were going to be 100 more steps to this. Okay.
It's hard, isn't it? I'm sure somebody's sealed them in extra tight. That's a good...
Well, covered it. The problem is now I'm trying to do it covered
And
in...
I'm a greasy. Clearly. I'm like a squirrel with a nut.
like a squirrel with a nut.
Is it a squirrel?
A squirrel?
A squirrel.
A squirrel?
Am I saying that weirdly? A squirrel?
A squirrel?
A squirrel? Like Professor Quirrell? Squirrel?
What's a squirrel?
It's what you're saying. But in not... That's a strange accent.
What, squirrel?
Squirrel. It's a squirrel.
There's such thing as a squirrel.
This is what we say in Cheltenham. It's a squirrel. Squirrel. It's a squirrel.
It's a squirrel.
It's not a squirrel. What a squirrel. You sound like you're from Wales.
Quick, look over there. There's a herd of squirrels.
Squirrel.
Squirrels?
Like girl.
Girl squirrel.
You don't say like...
Squirrel.
I know it's spelled differently, but squirrel. Like, it's wrong. Then again, I call it Primark, not Primark, so maybe I'm wrong.
For my pack.
Oh, thanks.
I don't know why, but I think yours are...
Like, don't.
Someone's done something to them.
Probably.
Right.
Trying to sabotage me.
Da, 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 da.
Probably Taylor Swift. I don't want to listen to her song.
Why have you got against Taylor Swift?
Well, I don't like her. You know, all like the...
You're going to get people hate on you now. You know that.
I don't care. Bring her.
Oh.
Don't like Beyonce, don't like Taylor Swift. Love Drake, though. Rihanna. Green Day.
Right.
Look, mine was like the perfect amount. You? Oh.
Pretty much. We got a lovely little green one.
Here's our green one.
Which I think has turned out alright. I don't know, maybe, okay.
Mine is like orange. A little bit ombre because I didn't mix it in properly.
Oh, and we get to put the stickers on. Mine's good. No, mine's like apples, I think. But I'm going to put a rainbow.
I think I'm going to go for wow. Oh! Wow, it's looking at my hands.
Did you still love arts and crafts at school? I swear it was the best time. Like, when you could just mess around, and PVA glue is like my favourite thing ever.
Yeah, we did have art. I can't really remember it
Not
though.
art, but like craft.
We didn't have that.
Why?
I went to a school with 300 people in the entire school.
Were they all squirrels?
They were squirrels. I think it's the posh way of saying it.
Well, it's raining outside today, so I've put on like a little rainbow and a sad cloud.
Oh, I'm putting on a happy one.
So, oh, I guess we should put it on. Oh, you got the cloud as well.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I'm gonna have to, oh.
Ambarello, ambarello.
Da, 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 da.
Oh, you got a bit of green.
Oh no.
Just oh, so it's quite coloured.
Is it lip tint?
No, but you've got little clumps of green.
I'm sure it's fine.
How's mine looking?
I mean, I can't see the difference really.
Invisibalm.
Oh, it's tasty.
I'm not eating it. You got me tempted, but I feel like
it's tasty.
It's tricking me, I think. Wow.
It tastes like apple somethings. You know, do you know what I'd beat with? You know when you buy sweets and you have like blue flavour.
A blue flavour. Yeah.
No one knows what blue flavour is.
Yeah.
When it's blue flavour. And even though some things will say, oh, this is apple, there seems to be like a candy apple taste.
Yeah.
Which actually is nothing compared to an apple.
Not at all.
Cherry is the worst.
And like, you know, like strawberry scented things. Like you smell a strawberry, it doesn't actually smell like anything.
Yeah.
I always found that strange.
I mean, I think this would work.
Like, I think it's cute. Kids' parties, like little hen do's if you want to be like, you know, a little bit less wild, stay and make some lip kits. It's cute.
All of the flavours.
My other one turned out too orange.
It kind of looks like bolognese.
I love a bolognese. Bolognese is my favourite meal. Basic, but a classic.
This is very therapeutic.
But I wish we had a bigger spoon and like a bigger. Don't you think? Oh, yours is brown.
Cross-contamination.
Oh, this won't happen in the production line though, guys.
Production line, you're going to be pumping these out.
We are going to be pumping them out. But each will be handmade like this. So they're going to be...
Oh, what did you use? Just red and green?
Yeah. Should never be seen. Except on a Christmas tree.
You're very holiday seasonal today.
I love Christmas. All the Christmas decorations are up in John Lewis. Aren't they in Selfridges and Harrods and stuff now?
I don't know.
All the trees, all the decorations, it's amazing. Last time I was in Sloane Square, I was singing Christmas songs and videoing my experience.
Videoing your experience.
Hashtag London blog. Yes. So this is kind of cute. This looks like a sort of raspberry colour, don't you think?
No.
Or like raw minced beef.
I just wanna do. I think I'm done.
Oh, actually, you know what? It's like the inside of a sausage.
Oh.
I call this sausage bomb.
This is sausage bomb, y'all. Oh, this is not. Why didn't they tell you to open this at the beginning?
I mean, maybe it's. Ooh. Look at that skating open.
Mine's just gonna have to. No, I think it's literally impossible.
This actually looks like a fatty meat. I'll do a close up in a sec. It's minced beef balm. What do you think? Would you put that on your lips?
You can even see the little deposits of fat.
Yeah, exactly. Ooh, my gift to you.
Oh, now I
Merry
can put
Christmas, friend.
my brown surprise.
Oh my god! Is that what you're calling it?
Brown surprise.
Blah, blah, blah. Tasty.
Blah, 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 blah. Well, that is all of the flavours. I really want to try this one because this is all of the flavours combined. And I want to know what it tastes like.
Or natural.
My lips still taste apple.
Organic. Brown surprise.
Brown surprise. Who wants a nice tub of brown
Bowels
surprise?
of Matt's mind. So what did you think?
I think it's quite fun. The only thing is that it didn't last very long. Like I was expecting there to be like, okay, you make this, you add this, you like all these sorts of things. There's literally like a tub of Vaseline and 3 colours.
Yeah, I thought there would be like, you know, a phrase.
What's this for?
I think it's to put your pot in to warm it.
Oh. Okay,
yeah, it's not like an interesting surprise. But I think like, you know, it would have been nice to have fragrances and stuff like that. But I guess, you know, it's a little tiny kit from Tiger. So
But I mean, on the plus side, the stickers
Oh my god, you're
are
so
great.
beautiful.
So, I love
Sticker faces.
Love sticker.
Yay!
Yes!
Oh!
Queen bee. What does it say?
No.
No.
Let's have a stick on.
But we'll put the link to the stuff.
The stuff?
You know, the stuff.
The stuff?
The stuff.
The squirrels!
Squirrels.
Squirrels.
I think we've established something quite funny here.
Leave me alone, you're saying it wrong.
Squirrel.
We're gonna have to call someone. You should call someone and just be like, how do you pronounce this word?
Hold on. Let's do
Squirrel.
this.
That would make sense if you were Welsh. Joshua! But you can't say the word,
Oh, okay, yeah.
because that's leading them on. The little things in the trees that eat nuts.
Hello?
Hello. I need you to.
You okay?
I'm good. I need you to answer something for me really quickly.
Go.
Okay. So you know the little fluffy things you get that run around parks and collect nuts?
Yeah.
What do you call them?
Squirrel.
He doesn't say it like you. Can you say that again, Josh?
Squirrel.
A squirrel.
Oh, I
What?
know what you mean.
A squirrel.
No, but do you think Matt says it very like squirrel?
You do the inflection, you do the
saying it the American way.
miracle.
But you're saying it like the Welsh way.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Am
Squirrel.
I live on Channel 5?
Yeah. Okay, that was all.
Try not to swear.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
So, yeah, that was fun. Short, but fun.
Yeah.
Like me.
I don't know if I'd ever use this. I'd just go buy some lip balm if I had.
Yeah, but imagine like a kid's party. Like you had like a little niece or something, and you had her little friends round, and you can give them like gin and tonic. Like, what are you going to give them? Well, just give them a lip balm kit. And then you can have a gin and tonic.
Oh,
Party
someone's
here,
got other
guys.
priorities. Well, we'll put the link to the kit in the description below, so if you wanted to buy one of these and try it out for yourself, you can do. Tiger's always fun. I love going there. I love shopping there.
You can get such cute little things in Tiger.
Yeah, and it's fun that they do this. And I don't know if I'll use the lip balm, but I probably will use the stickers for other things.
Yeah.
Oh, apart from I've got some of my brown surprise on the stickers. Okay.
Oh, he gets his brown surprise everywhere.
Brown
It's
surprise.
disgusting. Like, I think we're going to need to take him to a doctor soon.
We're going to mop.
Oh, it's disgusting. Oh my god, you're vile.
So if you want to try this out for yourself, we're going to put the link in the description so you can head on down to Tiger and try
Head
this.
on down, guys.
Oh.
I'm so sorry, it was a bit of the brown surprise.
I quite like Tiger though. I like that they do fun little things like this. So even if it was short, and I don't know if I'll ever use it again, but meh.
It was good.
It was good. And make sure that if you want to see more of this, you like and subscribe. Hit that button. All the rest of it, you know what to do. Keep us going.
And we're on Instagram as well, so we've got the Box London Instagram and also our own Instagrams for an insight into our lives. They want insights, Matt. But yours is mainly selfies. I swear. It's pictures of you.
That's because my Instagram.
Oh, bitch. I've got food.
Food that they can't eat and they can't smell and they can't
Yeah,
taste.
but they can just